Hi, I'm Liz, and this is the RunStar Smart Body Composition Scale. Thank you to the brand for sending this to me for this video. And if you're setting yours up for the first time, here's how to correctly sync with the Starfit app. So all of your measurements will show up where you want them to. So before anything else, make sure that the panel is clean before you step on it. Remove any sticker static on the surface. If your model uses batteries, take out the battery seal on the back. And now you're going to go and download the Starfit app and go ahead and register or log in. Once you're done with that, you're going to lightly step on the scale one time just to wake it up. And it's going to give you a very nice hi, hello. Next, you're going to turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. And in the Starfit app, you're going to go to the account page, tap devices, then tap the plus sign and choose Bluetooth search and select RunStar when it appears. Once it's connected, go ahead and step on the scale again, just that one time so that it gives you the hello. And then you're going to pick up the handle before you step on, put your thumbs over the sensors, and then barefoot step on the scale and hold steady for about 10 seconds. The first thing it does is take your weight and then it moves over to do your body scan. You're going to hold your arms out at that 30 to 45-degree angle and it's going to do the entire scan. It gives you a pleasant little chime once it's done. So that automatically updates in the Starfit app. And then you can also sync your results to Apple Health, Fitbit, Health Connect, or even view them on your Apple Watch by logging into your Starfit account there. So that's all of your initial setup with the app and making sure that when you step on the scale, it's actually logging your data. And I hope that helps.